Hey YouTube, DNL Machine here, coming at you with another video to help keep you out of the Jello pudding. Today we got a GMC Sierra 3500 2008 or something like that, LMM Duramax, and we are doing the fuel kink lines TSB update. I don't know if you can see right there, that line's got a kink. Okay, so we're going to fix that. It's pretty easy to get this cut here on that crimp right there, because this one's accessible from the top, but the bottom one is more difficult. Don't try and reach it from the top. Take your wheel liner out, reach in here, get it from the side. As you can see, I got my Dremel tool right there. I'm just trying to show you the setup that I got so you can hold this with two hands. Okay, and right there you can see the cut that I've made, and this is right here how I held the tool. Okay, be careful of your flares in your line. Once you got it to about here, then you just jam a screwdriver in there and pry that bastard out. Okay, make sure you have good access to hold the tool properly. Okay, because if you've used a Dremel before, you will know it will try to run away on you. Okay, and you have to have good control when you're making that cut. All right, I hope this helps. Oh, also take that turbo pipe out, the one that would normally go to this rubber hose and go up and wind up here. Take that out of the way, because it's just 100 million times easier to get that out of the way. And if your if your silicone boot here looks like this one, replace it. All right, stay gold.